I typically see folks early on in their injury to hopefully get them back to recovery and back to optimal functional level. I like performing interventions that can alleviate patients' pain quickly, and some of those would be like an injection, for example, for people who have acute back pain such as sciatica. And so it's very satisfying to feel, oh, that just felt great, Dr. Wen. Thank you so much, a week later when they come back for a follow-up visit. I typically receive referrals from physicians who have patients who have acute back pain such as sciatica. It may be severe enough to require advanced workup such as advanced imaging tests, and integrating that information into identifying what may be the drivers of their condition. As a specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation, it's a specialty that is relatively broad. You have to have a broad skill set. The integration of various components of medicine relating to orthopedic, musculoskeletal, neurologic, and psychological factors, you have to customize that and try to apply that information to the patient as you're assessing them. And I find that to be very challenging, but also very rewarding.